The soulful and emotive sound of blues guitar has captivated audiences for decades. From its humble beginnings in African American communities in the Deep South to its wide-reaching influence on modern music, the genre has undergone several transformative milestones that have shaped it into what we know and love today. In this article, we will delve into 5 historic moments that have left an indelible mark on blues guitar, uncovering the secrets behind its enduring appeal. The birth of Delta blues, a raw expression of emotion. In the early 20th century, African Americans living in Mississippi's fertile Delta region began crafting a unique style of guitar playing that would become known as Delta blues. This raw and unfiltered approach to music allowed artists like Robert Johnson and Son House to channel their pain, sorrow, and joy directly through their fingertips onto steel strings. The haunting melodies and intricate fingerpicking techniques showcased in songs such as Crossroad Blues laid the foundation for future generations of blues guitarists. Electric revolution, amplifying emotion. The advent of electric guitars during the 1930s brought about a seismic shift in blues music. Pioneers like T-Bone Walker embraced this new technology with open arms, electrifying their sound and creating a more powerful sonic palette for expression. By plugging their guitars into amplifiers, these musicians could now reach larger audiences while infusing their performances with newfound energy and emotion. Chicago's Great Migration, a new home for blues guitar. As African Americans migrated from rural areas to urban centers during the Great Migration period, 1916-1970, Chicago emerged as a hotbed for blues music in particular. Artists such as Muddy Waters and Howlin' Wolf flocked to this bustling cityscape where they found opportunities to refine their craft alongside fellow musicians. The electric blues sound that emerged from Chicago's vibrant club scene marked a turning point in the genre, influencing countless guitarists and paving the way for later developments such as rock and roll. British invasion, a transatlantic love affair. In the 1960s, British bands like the Rolling Stones and Led Zeppelin fell under the spell of American blues guitarists. Inspired by their heroes across the pond, these British musicians sought to emulate and pay homage to their blues idols through their own music. This transatlantic love affair with blues guitar not only introduced a new generation of listeners to this timeless genre but also sparked a renewed interest in its origins among American audiences. Contemporary innovations, pushing boundaries. Today, contemporary blues guitarists continue to push boundaries and explore new sonic territories while honoring tradition. Artists like Joe Bonamassa blend elements of classic blues with rock influences, creating a fusion that appeals to both traditionalists and modern listeners alike. By incorporating diverse techniques such as slide playing or fingerstyle picking into their repertoire, these innovators ensure that the legacy of blues guitar remains relevant and ever-evolving. By uncovering these 5 historic milestones in the development of blues guitar, we gain insight into why this genre has endured over time and continues to resonate with audiences today. Through its raw expression of emotion, Delta blues laid the groundwork for future generations seeking solace through music. The electric revolution catapulted this soulful sound onto larger stages while amplifying its emotional impact. Chicago's Great Migration provided a fertile ground for growth and collaboration among talented artists who refined their craft in vibrant urban settings. The transatlantic love affair between British bands and American blues masters brought newfound attention to an age-old art form while inspiring subsequent generations on both sides of the Atlantic Ocean. Finally, contemporary innovations keep pushing boundaries within the genre, ensuring its relevance in an ever-changing musical landscape. In conclusion, the secrets of blues guitar lie in its ability to tap into the deepest wells of human emotion. From the birth of Delta blues to the contemporary innovations that shape its future, this genre has captivated audiences with its raw power and timeless appeal. Whether you're a seasoned guitarist or simply an appreciator of music, exploring these historic milestones will deepen your understanding and appreciation for blues guitar's enduring legacy. So pick up your guitar, let your fingers dance across the strings, and unlock the secrets that have shaped a genre beloved by millions around the world.